Hey guys, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. If you're new here, welcome. Today's DIY is really fun for me because this is a challenge that I was invited to do by Natalie from the channel Design to the Nines, and it's called Girls Can Use Power Tools. And if you've been with my channel for a while, you know I like using all kinds of tools, whether it's just regular tools, power tools. So when she invited me to participate in this, I was super excited because it's right up my alley. So if you'd like to see how I made this lantern, please keep watching. Also, I will link the playlist to the challenge in the description below, so after you're done watching my video, head on over and check out what everybody else created with power tools. So for this lantern, I actually found the inspiration on a website, and I will also link that in the description box. It's not exactly like she had shown, but I kind of put my own twist on it. So for this, I will put the measurements right here on the screen, and after cutting all the wood pieces that I needed down to size, I used a little bit of wood glue and just some regular nails to hold it together. You can use screws, whatever you would like. And I first put the sides together. And like I said, you can build this to any size that you want. I made mine actually quite large. My husband helped me on this part because I needed a couple more hands to hold it while the glue was, I guess, going to work and while I hammered it. Because this isn't fast drying wood glue, so I had to put the nails in while the glue was still wet. So after we did both sides, I didn't film both, but after we put both sides together, we started attaching the other side pieces. And I didn't do anything special to these boards after I cut them. I didn't even really sand them. I'll probably do that afterwards. I'm not sure if I'm going to stain it or just leave it just this raw wood look. And this wood glue works really, really well to hold it. It's super strong once it's dried. And I think this is cute. It could actually be used as a table or a little plant stand as well. I was originally going to put sides on this like I saw on the inspiration piece, but I didn't have the mirror. I had one mirror, but I didn't have one to match for the other side, so I may go get another one from the Dollar Tree, and then you would just glue them on the inside on two sides. And here I'm just using a drill bit just to put holes in where I'm going to put the rope, and I got this rope from the Dollar Tree, so it's really inexpensive. And this whole project was super inexpensive when you compare it to the prices of lanterns at the stores. And then I didn't use any specific size rope. I just kind of eyeballed it to see what I liked. And after I knotted them, I went ahead and cut them. And this is what it looks like all finished. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to be staining it. I kind of like it in its raw wood look right now, but I can always change it up later. It's easy to paint or stain. But I think it turned out really pretty. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to Natalie's channel and also check out the playlist below. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you consider subscribing. I'll see you next time. Bye!